Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a podcast, Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I have to apologize. We lost our internet from all the rain yesterday, so I'm doing this from the library. This is a second part from August 30th. There's the same story about Don, but this is something that he and I worked on. So I want to show you how both the business trust and the beneficial trust work together. So I'm going to share my screen. Now, I'm going to do a major speech September 12th at 4 p.m. East Coast time, save federal taxes legally. So I'm doing this from now until then. I'm doing a different video every single day to show how my clients are saving money. This is the reason I moved to North Carolina is because they do what is called upset bids. Crazy rule, 101 counties here in North Carolina. You have to know if it's 10 business days or 10 calendar days that you can walk in and upset the bid and put 5% down and win it. So I literally went to the courthouse. This was from March of 2020. It had been on upset bid for 4 days and it had 6 more days to go. And I'm like, wow, this is an amazing deal. I drive past these 5 houses every single day. So whenever I drive. So I walk out of the courthouse, I called Dawn and said, hey, I know you have some money coming in. Can you wire me $157,500 so we can upset a bid? You want to get involved with real estate, and this is what we're going to do. He's just like, Sally, I'm all yours. He wires me the money. Next day I go back to the courthouse. I put down the $157,500 as an upset bid. We won on May 23rd, 2023. Yay, Sally. Now, Memorial Day is right around there. So we hired a locksmith. We changed the locks on the houses. And then we hired my friend who's a real estate agent here in the Charlotte area. And I had to contact Wells Fargo and say, we need 30 days to be able to get these houses wholesale. The person I talked to at Wells Fargo said, we've been waiting for 3.5 years. I'll give you an extra 30 days. Your bill, what we had to owe Wells Fargo was $3,150,000 for the 5 custom built houses. This is a picture of one of the houses. So on June 1st, 2022, my friend, the real estate agent, her name is Sherry. She put an open house on all 5 houses with a pad of paper in there. We got all 5 houses under contract for $4,765,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. Now, with this, my friend Sherry decided she needed to get the business trust because her commission on these 5 houses, 1 day of work, quite honestly, it was 4 hours, 1 day of work. She had to follow up with people. I'll give her that. But she made $95,300. She started the business trust. And then when she got paid her commission, she paid for the business trust. Because she did that with her saving just 70%, we don't know if she'll save more, but just at 70%, she's going to save $16,010.10. Can't forget that 10 cents. She's ecstatic because she's got other houses she's putting on the market. She said this was the easiest 5 houses she's ever sold. Now, between Don and I, with the profits, we paid off the locksmith because he changed the locks. Don got back his $157,500. That's all there. The $95,300 was taken out of the profits. So we were left between for all of our profits, $1,361,200. Yay, Sally. That's a lot of money. So when I split that 50-50 with Don, he and I both made $680,200 on one transaction with 5 houses. Yay. It was a really good day. Now, with my trust, yesterday I told you Don was at 35%. My trust, I'm at 24%. That's what I started when I started doing this. So this is the numbers I'm using. 680,600 times 0.24 is saving $163,444 in short-term capital gains. Now, just to give you an idea, because Don was at 37%, let's just change this all out. So let's do 680,280. Oops, did that wrong. 200 times 0.35. So if we're looking at Don and using 35%, now that he's taken his dividend income out of the equation, his tax rate has come down again. But yesterday I gave you the number for 35%. His savings for short-term capital gains was $238,070. That's a lot of money. Now, if I can help you save federal taxes year after year, generation after generation with the irrevocable, complex, discretionary, non-grantor Spendthrift Trust, I am doing a live speech on September 12th at 4 p.m. East Coast time. You just go to thetrustisyou.com/save so you can see my new slide deck, or you can always set an appointment with me. There are 4 trusts. The business trust saves 1099 income earners at least 70% of their federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Again, Dawn is a coach for people who are transitioning from corporate world to starting their own business. My friend Sherry is a real estate agent. She just saved $16,010.10 on this one transaction. Both of them saving money that way. Again, that's 70%. The beneficial trust is going to stop you paying short-term and long-term capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalties year after year, generation after generation. It's a beautiful thing. The charitable trust is going to, as for people who have a 1053C company, and you can get grants. I have a charitable trust, and I'm getting $10,000 a month in Google grants. Beautiful thing. And then the last trust is for seniors. Anybody who's over 65 on Medicare and making too much money, more than $91,000 from either 401k withdrawals, SEP withdrawals, wages, pensions, capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, or royalties. If you make more than $91,000, you're going to pay what's called IRMA, which affects your Part B of your Social Security. Part B is doctors and medical tests. So again, that's a blind trust. But if I can help you save federal taxes, please contact me at thetrustisyou.com or wait until September 12th and come to my new meeting, my new speech. Take care. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a beautiful day, and I will be back home tomorrow.